Hey Blelloers, welcome back to another challenge. Nikipedia here and I've got Stu back up by my side. And today we are going to be doing the beanboozled challenge. Are you looking forward to this?
No. When we bring a puke bowl, I'm never looking forward to it.
Yeah, we do have a puke bowl and a bottle of water ready for us.
Yeah.
We're going to spin the wheel. Whatever it lands on, we've both got to take one of those beans and we're going to test them out.
I've got big fingers. We have to eat green.
Green.
So what is green? Just plain green. Plain.
Is lime or lawn clipping.
Oh, summer.
Okay.
So we just eat it.
Okay,
3, 2, 1, go.
I got lime!
You got lime? I didn't get
lime.
lime.
You got lawn clipping?
It reminds me of when I'm doing my lawns and it sprays up and hits me in the face. I got lawn clippings, but you know what I'm thinking? This has been done so many times. It's lame. Let's recreate these flavors the best we can in real life.
In real life.
Yep.
I love it. Let's get to it.
Yep. See, this is a whole nother level. Mystery wheel's here.
I don't think I can spin with these
Okay.
blocks on, so spin that wheel. See when it turns us on.
I'm waiting till I hear it stop. I'm waiting till I hear it stop.
Lime and lawn clipping.
Have we just checked to see if there were no dogs on the lawn before this was clipped? Now we've got to decide who wants to eat under what bowl.
I think I'm good.
Oh.
Oh, we got lawn clip. We got lawn clipping.
Both got lawn clippings.
Oh, this is a lawn clipping.
Oh, I know. I don't know this straight away, but I'm happy.
This is chive.
Okay.
Oh, I love chive.
Oh, a little bit of cake. So I'm going to put that back here. I'm going to put it over here.
Feeling good about
Yeah.
the challenge. All right, Stu back up.
Here we go.
Spin away.
And now just stare down the
Yeah,
camera
yeah.
as it spins. I don't want to look
Oh
down.
no!
Do you want to trade?
I'm happy to trade.
I'll go to the left.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Oh!
What is on those?
What has this person been wearing? What a... I'm just gonna have my water ready. I'm not holding back. Let's go.
All right.
I think it's blue cheese.
Just two fruit is great.
3 more. I'm gonna do 3 more. Here we go.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh. Not a fan. Put it over the
I'm
side.
gonna reluctantly put my shampoo away. Put it over to the side.
Swell, your turn, Nikipedia. Here you go.
All right, I'm gonna spin this wheel. I'm not hating this challenge so far. I've actually got all of the good flavors. Oh,
what's that noise?
Booger or juicy pear.
All right. Do you want to trade again or not? Do you want to trade? Because I'm not keen on trading. Because yeah.
You're off trading.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah!
Oh.
All right, you can do this.
That?
You can do this, Nikipedia. What a nose
Even
here!
got a hair in it. That's beautiful.
Oh.
That is.
All right, you ready to eat? What does the booger taste like?
What is that taste? It's not. Oh, hello. That's a sour bit. It's not as bad as the sticky sauce. You want to spin?
Boom! Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Oh no.
What an egg or buttered popcorn!
Good with what I've got.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no! Oh no! There's a hair in it! Stop leaving hairs in my food!
Go, Nick. Go. Popcorn.
How do people eat eggs? It's just wrong.
Great cheese.
That's the worst thing ever. You have a try that.
Woohoo!
You're actually going for it. Were you eating the whole thing? I don't want to say, but what's wrong with you?
I just want to do this. We were a team, right? We're a team.
Yeah, we're a team. I'll help you eat the popcorn. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Swallowed it. 5 popcorn. So we only have 3 left.
We're in this together.
I forgot whose turn it is. Okay. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Wait for the ding. Oh no! This is vomit and pee.
Do you want to swap seats or do you want to hold on to yours?
I'm gonna hold on. Yes!
Okay.
Oh no!
It's airplane vomit pig!
Oh!
It's the airplane vomit pig!
Oh! You guys should be really, really glad that you can't smell what is happening right now. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
What does it become if I vomit up the vomit?
Are you okay?
Whoa! Let's put
the lids on.
Yeah, let's put the back on the vomit.
Let's put the lids on the vomit.
Get away, vomit! Get away from me,
It
vomit!
was on an angle. laughing?
Oh, it's in my
Okay.
beard. Oh,
Oh, it's toothpaste or berry blue.
is it?
Yeah. You want
Is
to
that
swap?
it?
Yeah, that's all.
Is that for what?
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste!
We both got toothpaste.
You gonna do the whole spoon?
Alright, let's do the whole spoon.
Cheers. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, why did I do that?
Oh gosh, that noise.
I just don't know why I made that choice for us to eat the whole thing. I could just go around breathing in people's faces right now and they'll get fresh breath. There's only one option left, Wikipedia. Either we're eating dog food or we're eating chocolate pudding.
Alright, here we are. It's chocolate
It's
pudding!
chocolate pudding!
Yes!
Chocolate pudding!
Yes! It's chocolate
Right. Surely they wouldn't play that.
There's a hair on it! Stop putting hair in the food! I don't want to eat all of this.
I am eating all of it.
You are eating all of it. I'm so glad that we worked through this together. Ended up with a very sweet reward. And you know, actually, if I'd have got some of those things, I don't know if I would have been able to have the courage to eat them without you.
We got through it together.
You know, when you work through things together, there's always a sweet reward at the end. Not always chocolate cake, but sometimes it is.
What? The bowls are back in front of us.
The bowls are back in front of us because Santarella, our wonderful producer, has apparently given us a bonus round.
Oh, beans!
Bean
Jelly
there.
beans! They don't smell!
They're real.
Yeah, they're real
not
jelly beans!
beanboozled.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you!
Oh.
Thank you, guys! So that is the beanboozled in real life challenge.
Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.
That was the beanboozled challenge in real life. Now, just letting you guys know that everything we have just put in our mouths was actually safe for us to eat.
Yeah, so if you do this challenge at home, make sure that you check everything.
Don't feed people vomit. Don't feed people stinky socks. My stinky sock was blue cheese.
And my booger was lime jello and salt. Things like that. Get creative.
So be safe out there, guys. That's what we want for you the most.
Yeah.